Hmm. Friends, today I am going to discuss about class 9 science powered by Unique Coaching Center, powered by Unique Computer Center. Okay, so first we have to go into the login, then we have to select the courses, then we have to click the courses, then we have to go to the choice of the subject here they are given subjects here according to your choice. You have to click here. Then clicking the chapters are here, you are seen in the monitor. So accordingly to it, now today I am going to discuss matter in our surrounding, the first chapter in science for class 9. So in brief I will explain. So in this chapter 1, there is matter in our surrounding, the chapter. Whatever we are seeing in the surrounding, many things are there, like for example, solid, liquid, gaseous forms are there. Even planets are there, plants, animals, stars, clouds, stones, etc. So here, particularly we have to know what is a matter. Matter means that which is to occupy space and has its volumes and mass is called matter. So we have understand what is matter. In here it is described that in early times human beings also understand what matter is. There are five basic elements in elements in matter, such as air, earth, fire, sky, and water. Here it is discussed. And in ancient Greek philosopher too also have discussed it what matter it is. So modern science is also involved into two types. The base matter is like physical properties and chemical properties. So we have understood here about matter. Matter are in three stages. One is in solid, liquid, and gaseous stage. So class, we are going to the next page. Here, see here, particles of matter having space between them. Some of the particle like solid particles are like sugar, salt, etc. You have seen it. And Dettol, potassium, permanganate, even in water forms are there. So in aqua forms it is there, liquid form, solid form, and gases form like LPG gases are there in your home kitchens. You have seen that gases also, it is in gaseous form. So there are three forms in matter we have understood. Now what is solid material and what is liquid material and what is gaseous material? So in the next page we will discuss it now. In brief I am discussing what is solid. In the solid particles, atoms are closely packed for that reason that are too strong, that are too hard. It is impossible to break with your own hand. We need some implements to break it. For the hardness, why it is hard? Because it is closely packed. For that reason, they are called solid material. In short, I am explaining. And in the another one, what is that? Liquid material. What are liquid materials? Metals. So liquid materials, the atom molecules are freely packed. They are not closely packed in liquids. So the atom particles freely state. They are not in a fixed volume. They do not have any shapes. For example, when in a bucket you are pouring water, it's the liquid you are seeing in a bucket structure. In any utensil, when you are pouring water, its shape is like that only. Why? Because liquid has not definite shape, but it has fixed volume. They have it mass, weight, etc. They can cover an area too, but they do not have definite shape. So in liquid, what happened? Liquid, the molecules are not closely packed. We can understand it here. They are Gaps are there. The molecules are gaps in liquid. But when it is converted to ice, the atom molecules are compacted. It contact it. So for that reason, ice is harder. Harder. We cannot break it with hammer also. It is very difficult to break, but it will break. But when melting point is there, it will be in fluid. That means in water. So now in gases, the molecules are not freely packed. They can go far distance. For example, when some geese legs are there, you will see at vast distance area the gases smell is just gone because molecules are faster and thinner than air. So all organism, on the other hand, they required for respiration oxygen and gases to survive. All living creature used to breathe here for survival. Animals also, plants also, it is required. So in water too, aquatic animal live because how they can survive? Because in liquid aquatic animals, oxygen is required. In water, less percentage of oxygen is there. With that less oxygen percentage, they can survive. But we cannot survive in the water. It will be difficult to breathe. So that are the three methods I have discussed in short way. In a brief, if there are problems, you can go to the down. Here is a complete level reply. You have to comment here whatever requirement is there. If you want more details, you can contact in the link and we will give you the details, and some important question and answers are also here for your study benefit. You can study it from there. So thank you, and I hope that you have understood the lesson because I have explained it in a brief way. For details, if you want to study at home, you please read the text and activities so that you can get more knowledge. Because in a brief, I have explained it. I hope that you have understood it. So I'm leaving now. Thank you very much for hearing it. And if any confusions and doubts are there, as shown in the monitor, you can give your comments here. For later, you can whatever you want to ask us, we will help you. Thank you.